In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project to Microsoft Excel in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the process from inside Smartsheet, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get your project data out of Smartsheet and into an Excel file that you can analyze, share, or archive. First, start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing into your account, if you aren't already. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace or folder where your project sheet is stored. Take a moment to identify the specific project you want to export. This will typically appear as a sheet in your list of items. Click on the project name to open it. You should now see your project data, including rows, columns, and any task information that's part of that sheet. With your project open, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface for the main toolbar. In this toolbar, you'll see several menu options and buttons that control how you work with the sheet. Among these options, find the button or menu labeled Actions. This is usually located near the upper right area of the screen, depending on your Smartsheet layout and screen size. Click on the Actions menu. A drop-down list will appear, giving you different ways to work with your sheet, such as saving, exporting, or other sheet-level tools. From this list, look for the option that says Export to Microsoft Excel. The wording should be very clear, and it may include the familiar Excel icon next to it, depending on your version. Once you see Export to Microsoft Excel, go ahead and click it. Smartsheet will then prepare a file of your project data in Excel format. In most browsers, this will trigger a download automatically, usually as an XLSX file. If your browser asks you where to save it, choose a folder that you'll remember, such as your Downloads folder or a specific project folder on your computer. After the file has finished downloading, you can open it directly in Microsoft Excel. All of the rows, columns, and values from your Smartsheet project will appear in a standard spreadsheet layout, ready for you to filter, format, create charts, or share with others who prefer working in Excel. And that's all there is to it. Open your project in Smartsheet, go to the Actions menu, and select Export to Microsoft Excel to quickly generate an Excel version of your project.